everyone, I'm Naomi. Welcome to my Filipino cooking channel where I present wonderful Filipino recipes. Guys, chocolate and raspberries make a wonderful combination, and today I'm going to show you how to make Oreo Raspberry Balls, a 3 ingredients Oreo Balls recipe. The raspberries with the chocolate Oreo biscuits are a great combination. They complement one another perfectly, and as you taste them, you taste every ingredient. The only problem we have to these Oreo balls is how quickly they are gone. This is a great no-bake dessert. Here are the ingredients of my Oreo Raspberry Balls: Oreo biscuits, raspberries, and white chocolate. Let's get started. Guys, this is easy, no-bake dessert recipe for you to make with your children and have fun with it. Now, let's start by mashing the raspberries. Okay, I'm gonna use back of the fork. Okay, guys, see? Very easy. Easy for you to make with your children. And the mashing is done. Guys, let's place the Oreo biscuits in a bag. Okay? Then close the bag, and then we can crush it with our hands. Now let's place in a bowl. Guys, when making the crumbs, don't make it too fine, okay? Alright guys, let's add the Oreo crumbs to our raspberries. Here it is, and let's mix it with our hands, okay? Now the two ingredients are combined, let's make the Oreo balls. Okay? With our hands. Okay guys, just like that. Work it with your hands. And that's it. And place it on a baking sheet paper. There. And repeat the process. Here we go. Your kids gonna love making this with you. Alright guys, we made 10 Oreo balls out of this recipe. The only problem you're gonna have is how quickly they are gone. Now the Oreo raspberry balls are made, just sit aside. Time to break the chocolate bars. And just place it in a bowl. To melt the chocolate, place in the boiling water. As you can see guys, the chocolate is almost melted. I just gonna give it a stir. Here we go guys, our melted chocolate is ready. Now let's coat the Oreo balls, okay guys, with some melted chocolate. Pick the Oreo raspberry ball and place in a melted chocolate and just cover it with some melted chocolate. And pick it up with a spoon and place it on a baking sheet. There you are. Perfect. Now, repeat the process. Here we go guys, my Oreo balls is covered with chocolate. Let's place in the fridge for an hour before serving. Here we go guys, my Oreo raspberry balls are ready to enjoy. Let's try it. They are absolutely delicious. Guys, I hope you enjoyed my 3 ingredient Oreo balls recipe today, and if you like it, then like it, and if you love it, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you soon. God bless. Paalam!